What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope everyone's doing good as we're back with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be for all those people who have a crush on an INFJ or for those who want to be a little closer to the INFJs. To be very honest, first of all, congratulations on finding an INFJ, as they are as rare as a damn unicorn in this society. How? Well, the INFJs are the rarest personality types to exist in the society. They make up about 1 to 3% of the whole population. You found the unicorn, but prepare yourself for a roller coaster now. Just like any other personality type, they have their own positives and negatives too. INFJs are famous for their introverted and thoughtful nature, but on the other hand, they can shock the heck out of people around them by being extroverted and spontaneous as well. Do you have an INFJ in your classroom that you want to befriend? Do you have an INFJ friend with whom you're not that close, but you want to be more friends with them? Yes. In that way, some quiet, reserved INFJs in your office that you want to loosen up a bit? Well, this is the video for you guys. Hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any updates. Your support helps our channel grow and make more videos, so it's very much appreciated. INFJs are a little hard to woo, and it might take quite a bit of effort to be in their good books, as they tend to be sensitive and also happen to have high morals, sometimes referred to as the advocate or the idealist. People with INFJ personalities are creative, gentle, and caring. INFJs are usually reserved, but highly sensitive to how others feel. They are typically idealistic, with high moral standards and a strong focus on the future. INFJs enjoy thinking about deep topics and contemplating the meaning of life. We're going to tell you guys some tips to make an INFJ like you and to get closer to an INFJ, so stick till the end of the video. Number 1, passionate people. As INFJs are passionate people themselves and are quite sensitive as well, they love to see the same energy in the other person. INFJs tend to have high morals and don't hesitate to struggle towards their goal. In other words, they are passionate about whatever they want to achieve. So if you want to impress an INFJ, we suggest you be passionate and focused regarding your targets and goals, as that will impress the INFJ, but also will prove to be helpful for yourself. Number 2, honesty. Who doesn't love honesty? But some people also prefer lies that benefit them. INFJs love honesty and despise lies, though. No one is unaware of the trust issues of the unicorn personality type and lies only to amplify the trust issues and worsen them. So basically, lying to an INFJ would be wrecking your own progress to befriend them. Most INFJs claim that they end up finding out the lie, and we really don't need to tell you guys how ugly the outcome of that could be. So our first advice would be never lie to an INFJ. And if you did, keep an eye out, because you're going to be caught soon. Number 3, quiet confidence. Being introverts, INFJs love the quiet ones. INFJs dislike the overconfident and loud kind of person, as they feel like their personal space is being violated and their comfort zone is endangered. They prefer people who present themselves gracefully and silently. Loud people are a big red signal for INFJ, and they tend to stay away from them, being true to their introverted selves. Number 4, natural meetings. INFJs hate, and by hate I mean absolutely hate, natural meetings. According to INFJs, they're awkward, and usually the first impression isn't the actual one. It is blurred by awkwardness, nerves, shyness, strategic moves, and everything is just so unauthentic. Meeting naturally is a much better way to get an INFJ comfortable around yourself. Making random and casual small talk at school, your workplace, with them is a more effective method to loosen them up. So what are the positive things about an INFJ in a relationship? Have you ever wondered that? Well, it will be shocking to you, but despite all the overthinking and a little trust issues, INFJs are great listeners, are extremely dedicated as well as sensitive, and aren't afraid to face the reality. They also tend to use their creative side to keep the relationship as fresh and as interesting as they can. Number 5, supportiveness. The spontaneous and adventurous nature of INFJs is foreign to no one and is one of the signature traits of this personality type. But what what do adventurous people need the most and rarely get? Support, whether it's a nice pat on the back after doing something creative or adventurous, or providing the space one needs to think out of the box and let the mind be free. INFJs appreciate the support they get from people and hence consider them closer. Number 6, reminders. We're pretty sure everyone is more than familiar with the overthinking tendencies of the INFJ personality type. They tend to be introverts, and sharing their thoughts with other people is hard for them. This might not be good. The thoughts that stay caged in their head might include jealousy, self-hatred, insecurity, trust issues, and so many other things that can only be solved by talking. But how can that problem be solved? The answer to this problem is gentle reminders. How? You know, when you're feeling a little insecure about some outfit, but your partner pops out of the blue and compliments how you look and you suddenly feel confident. That compliment is a gentle reminder of how they feel for you. Such acts of love, respect, attention, trust, and understanding really help an INFJ get comfortable around you. Have you ever wondered what would be the ideal personality type for an INFJ? Like, what would be the perfect match? Don't worry, we have that answer for you guys too. Considering INFJ from the Myers-Briggs list of personalities perspective, the general accepted ideal match is the ENTP personality. In addition, ENFP is also a great match, so it can inspire and stimulate INFJs, while ENFJ can support the humanist function of INFJs. This does not mean other people from other personality types cannot try to get closer to INFJs. Opposite personalities are likely to expose an INFJ to life experiences that will broaden their horizons and entice personal growth, which is on the top of the INFJ preferences list. You guys can still go for it, just make sure to follow the tips we tell you in this video. Number 7, physical comfort. Due to their overthinking tendencies, INFJs kind of suck at communicating their feelings by talking. In preparation of sharing how they feel, they are most likely overcome with anxiety and fear of judgment, or that their partner will look at them differently after that, or they'll abandon them. In such a situation, physical comfort is what you can offer. But how can you make them feel okay with your touch? Minor and innocent things like, want to see this secret handshake I had back when I was a kid, or check how soft this shirt is, are great ways to introduce them to physical interaction without making them uncomfortable. Remember, patience is direly needed when it comes to befriending an INFJ or making them uncomfortable around you, or if you want to make them like you. So don't give up, and keep in mind that baby steps always pay off. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. Hope everyone liked it. We'll be back soon with another one. Until then, take care.